Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video channel. Really go in and jump right into the presentation. I know that you guys just want to see what I'm sharing with you guys. Today, I'm going to be presenting to you another edition of a general dentist and braces and show you a case and where you have some idea that something like this, you can help your patient. Patient presented at the age of 15 years old with this smile, lower teeth crowded, upper teeth slightly crowded. Look pretty good, but if you zoom in, you can see that the bottom teeth is really crowded. And the top teeth is like a V shape on your closer view. Overall, he got very nice lip, uh, and this can be a very nice case if you want to treat it in your office now. This is typically if you don't have any dental skill, you would orthodontist skill would probably get nervous, but this actually the more crowded on the bottom teeth or upper teeth, the more chance that you're going to give the patient really happy smile, and in fact the patient will love you. So a general dentist, some of these cases you can do it. Want to go back? I went in too fast. So here is the smile again. um, so if you look closer, and you can predict that this case is going to turn really beautiful because of the not obviously not so much of um, the abnormal lip or facial so far. Closely look up closer with the sort of like a V shape, and number A and anterior seem to be flare out a lot. The bottom teeth, you can see two of the lateral incisor is lingually inclined. The case like this, you guys, is a really nice case to do it. Whether you choose to do Invisalign or braces, both can help your patient. Knowing that Invisalign or clear braces is just double cost the amount because the lab will charge your patient, and so you have to think about saving the money for the patient, especially in this economy. So you can see that I start etching the bone, talking to the patient agree, put etching bonding, put bracket on the first day. As you can see them, when you put it the first day, you can see how crowded it looked, right? And after a couple months, you can see that there is an unravel of the lower teeth right away. The upper teeth is getting straight immediately. So you can see upper tip quite straight, bottom tip is getting there. And quickly, as you can see, 4 or 5 months down the road, you can see that bottom tip gets straighter, completely straight. And what you can see there, the midline issue we need to fix. Um, and when you see the top and bottom tip are not aligned, that means that we still have some work to be done. So we continue the process in wearing elastic patient teeth to basically put the teeth occlusal in maximum intercuspation process. So again, progress is improved, and look at that. Within the almost 8-9 months, you can see there is a nice parallelism of the upper and lower wire. This, when you see this, you know that your case is going to be great. And so I just want to show you again. You can see this bottom tooth here. When you see something like this, put another brackets here and straight this out, or you're going to have the rotation of the molar right there. I want to show you all the trick and everything, okay? Not just talking, but want you to see it. So basically, case from beginning, middle, and to the end. There might be a little bit of midline off here. Patient seem to be having the jaw move back and forth. So depending on the picture that you see, but overall you can see nice, great smile from here to here. Patient is happy. I didn't have a proper angulation of the photo, but you can see the different. This is immediately after braces removed. So top one completely ovoid shape side, and same thing on the bottom, really straight out. Patient is super, super happy and with a beautiful open smile like this, confident, he can get a girlfriend and everything really nicely. Thank you for watching. Really short video for you guys for today. If you have any question, please comment on the below and let me know if you want to see more orthodontist case or implant case. And follow my channel, guys. Especially you are new graduate, you want to improve your skill. Check this out. Follow me. I will be interview a lot of expert on this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching again. Have a great day. Bye bye.